So this guy in the video is a repairman, loves to repair. He took the time to record this video to help someone, so that someone else might appreciate the work. Someone else who is unaware about a clothes dryer might see this video and appreciate it. So this guy removed the door from the clothes dryer and bring it outside to clean it. And you will see all the dirt and the fabric from the clothes mixed with the sand from the beaches, the lovely white sandy beaches. Everything is left in the dryer. So you try to remove, and that is all sand. And again, sand, sand, and he goes and clean again. But this dryer was very dirty. One of the worst I've seen. Alright, and how did he end up cleaning this dryer? The belt in the dryer was damaged, and then he started, after he fixed the belt, he started to clean this dryer. There's some lovely birds out here in the woods. So nice and quiet and peaceful. Just love that sound of nature. All those birds, lovely. Make the work much easier. So in this video, this guy is trying to get to his best to clean all the dirt.
So inside
But there are
this
still
machine
dirt
is a mess.
inside this door. There are still areas that he did not reach in this video. That is in another video. But this video is only gonna be 5 minutes. So I'll upload another video and a lot more muck coming from this machine. A lot more dirt is inside this machine. Which will be another video. So guys, you can go ahead and stay tuned, hit the subscribe button for more videos to come your way soon. Right, there's gonna be a full video on this, removing the door and replacing the belt. So go ahead guys and subscribe, leave a comment down below. Okay,
Give you a close
so
up.
there is still more to do.
That's all a mess.
Right, we still have inside of this area to clean, so there's another video for that. I'm having some editing problems, so I'm not able to edit this video now, but I want to just put something out for you guys. So
I'm gonna remove this.
go ahead and like and share this video. Okay guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.